Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some small cottage kitchen decorating ideas. Let's take a look. A small cottage kitchen is a cozy, charming kitchen style inspired by traditional countryside cottages. It focuses on warmth, comfort, practicality, and a lived-in feel rather than a sleek or ultra-modern appearance. Even in a small space, the goal is to create a welcoming and functional kitchen with character. Here are some practical tips for decorating a small cottage kitchen. Add natural wood. Incorporate wooden shelves, countertops, stools, or cutting boards. Natural wood adds warmth and enhances the cottage charm. Install open shelving. Replace some upper cabinets with open shelves to create an airy feel. Display attractive dishes, glass jars, and vintage kitchenware. Choose cottage-inspired hardware. Use cup bowls, ceramic knobs, or antique brush handles on cabinets and drawers for a timeless cottage look. Layers of textures. Add floral curtains, checkered tablecloths, oven placemats, and cotton tea towels to create a cozy atmosphere. Maximize vertical space. Use wall-mounted racks, pegboards, and hanging hooks to store cookware while keeping countertops uncluttered. Add vintage accents. Decorate with old skulls, animal wear, antique signs, or vintage style clocks to give the kitchen character and nostalgia. Mix old and new. Combine modern appliances with vintage inspired decor. This keeps the kitchen functional while maintaining cottage charm. Add bedboard details. Install bedboard on walls, cabinet ends, or a kitchen island. This classic cottage feature adds texture and character without overwhelming the space. Create a mini breakfast nook. If space allows, add a small round table with comfortable chairs for a cozy spot to enjoy coffee or meals. Display a collection. Showcase a small collections of vintage tea cups, pottery, or animal wear. Grouping similar items creates a curated cottage look. Hang decorative plates. A plate rack or a wall display of patterned dishes can become a beautiful focal point. Choose classic fabrics. Floral prints, stripes, checks, and ticking fabrics work wonderfully in cottage-style kitchens. Use glass front cabinets. Glass front doors help a small kitchen feel lighter and allow you to display attractive dishes. Incorporate soft curves, round tables, curved chair backs, and arched details. Soften the look and make the space feel more inviting. Add a runner rug. A narrow washable runner adds color, comfort, and warmth while protecting the floor. Keep counters thoughtfully styled. Display only a few attractive items, such as a wooden cutting board, a ceramic crock of utensils, and a vase of flowers. Embrace imperfection. Cottage style feels authentic when it looks lived in. Slightly weathered finishes, handmade pages, and family heirlooms add charm and personality. Add seasonal touches. Refresh the kitchen throughout the year with seasonal flowers, fruit bowls, wreaths, or linens to keep the space feeling fresh and welcoming. Use a farmhouse sink. A farmhouse style sink can become a beautiful focal point while adding practical workspace. Add wooden ceiling elements. If possible, incorporate exposed beams or wood-look ceiling details to bring rustic cottage character. Decorate with fresh flowers. A simple vase of wildflowers, daisies, or garden blooms instantly adds color and cottage charm. Create cozy corners. Turn unused corners into functional spaces with corner shelves, a small plant stand, or a compact seating area. Mix different textures. Combine wood, ceramic, glass, linen, and wicker to create a layered and inviting look. Use decorative storage. Choose attractive containers, baskets, and canisters so everyday storage doubles as decor. Hang copper or animal cookware. Displaying cookware on hooks can save cabinet space and add visual interest. Include handmade pages, handcrafted pottery, crocheted items, or DIY decor fit perfectly with a cozy cottage aesthetic. Style a tea or coffee station. Dedicate a small area of mugs, coffee supplies, or a teapot to create a charming and practical feature. Use furniture like cabinets. Cabinets with decorative fit, bedboard panels, or furniture-inspired details enhance the cottage feel. Choose warm metals. Brass, patrons and edged copper finishes add warmth and pair beautifully with cottage-style interiors. Keep the space bright. Use mirrors, reflective surfaces, and plenty of lighting to make the kitchen feel more open and spacious. Tell a story with Decor. Display meaningful items such as family recipes, vintage finds, heirloom dishes, or handmade crafts to make the kitchen feel uniquely yours. Add a small open plate rack. A wall-mounted plate rack provides storage while showcasing beautiful dishes. Use soft pastel accents. Introduce belly pink, dark egg blue, butter yellow, or shell green through accessories, dishes, or linens for a gentle cottage feel. Add a small hutch or freestanding cabinet. A vintage-style hutch can provide extra storage while adding character and a collected over time appearance. Decorate windowsills. Display small potted herbs, flowers, or vintage bottles on windowsills to create a charming focal point. Incorporate antique finds, old skulls, wooden crates, animal pictures, and vintage signs. Add authenticity and personality. Create visual height. Hang curtains closer to the ceiling and use tall shelves to make the kitchen feel larger and more spacious. Showcase beautiful cookbooks. Display a few favorite cookbooks on open shelves or countertops to add warmth and color. Add cottage-inspired artwork, botanical prints, countryside scenes, or vintage food illustrations work beautifully in a cottage kitchen. A well-designed small cottage kitchen feels bright, inviting, and full of personality while making the most of limited space. Thanks for watching the video.